Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today video, I'm gonna teach you for how do you update or upgrade your BG Dial version for the SBN. So first, this one. So step by step BCBox 12.01 SVN update. So first you need some steps that we can. So first you need to back up your system. Okay, so that we can roll back in case encounter an error. Okay, because once you update your SBN, no more return it back. Okay, so you need to back up first. You can run this following. This one, uh, you can back up the whole database asterisk settings. Okay, so this one without db and web, so this one is asterisk server only, and this one for database only. And the next requirements, this should be the we need to check our version of the schema and the SVN version. Okay, so if you can to check that, you need to go to the admin system settings. Okay. Okay, so you can see here the Michidial version 14, and then this one, the SVN version 3908, and then the schema. Okay. Okay, so this one is 3908. Okay, so if you are using an old version like the 2.3, you need to update to 2.4. So this is the additional command below. Okay, so that it won't disable the following settings, like your screen gonna blank only. Okay, you don't have any option to click. Okay, so for example, if you go on the reports and user, your user will be blank, all blank. Okay, so that the cause was the schema of the database is not updated. Okay, so you need to run those commands so that it will patch all the DB schema. Okay. Okay, so for now we're gonna proceed for the update on the SBN. Okay, gonna go back here. So first we're gonna run this backup. Okay, so this one additional backup option. Okay, so I'm using okay, BCBox 12. Okay, we can run the backup option. Okay. Okay, so to double check the backup, so where you can find the backup file, so you can go to the cd var log as geo client. Okay, log as geo client archive. Okay, so this is the backup that we made it. Okay, so we can use that for in case of emergency, if we have encounter a big disaster, so you can roll back the server. The other one, this one, so this one, it is only okay. For acceleration, so we are running on the for the this one is for database backup only. And just copy the code. Going here, just gonna paste here. So I can put asterisk db dot db. You can put underscore sbn 3908. Okay, and then you dot sql. So it means that your original database. Okay, so after that, okay, we are already run all the following. So we can go back here. So we need to okay, or the backup, check system setting, database upgrade. So from here, yeah, we need to do this one, option one. Option 1. And then from here, we need to run the, you need to, you need to go to, uh, so update the SBN file. So update or download the SBN file. Okay, so to download the SBN, SBN, you need to go to run the CD. You need to go src sgu client, cd, you go back here to cd user src source client, then trunk. So this is the uh, directory for the SBN. Okay, hold it. So after that, you already here, you can now run the SBN update. Okay, okay, as you see the update, it was for, okay, upper home screen, etc., etc., agent perform detail sales, agent time details, admin php custom, admin list custom.php. Okay, okay, to start, I think we're on 14. So to start, you need to go to the per install. Okay, just enter the following, just enter all this. Okay, okay, so from the asterisk, you don't need to update. Okay, so just press Y, or if you want to update, because if you press Y, they will modify the asterisk configuration. So possible your settings, or like the HTTP comp, it will gonna change. Okay, so for that, you can, before I run that, I can go mostly that only the changes on the file. So you can go here, cdh asterisk. So you can copy first the http.com. Okay, and then the extension.com. Mostly this gonna had been changed. But you already have a backup also, because we already done a backup for the whole asterisk database and the asterisk configuration. So but this is a additional precaution, okay, so that the system, it will not mess. Okay, okay, after that, you can, I will update the asterisk okay, so if I go back on my server and reports, admin, system settings. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now on 3914. So if you have some error here, DB schema error, okay, so you need to run the, you need to go to the MySQL and then use asterisk, and then you can run this command. Okay, okay, and then gonna exit. Okay, so I need to double check now if my http.com won't change. So as you can see, still enable. Yeah, no changes. Okay. How about the extension.com? Because we have some update on here. Okay. Yeah, it's still there. The comp bridge settings. Okay, looks good. How about the SGU client? I mean the as asterisk manager. Yeah, it's still there. So it looks good now. So it means we have successfully update our SVN. So from 3908 so to 3914. Okay, so guys, hope you are enjoying watching our video and the tutorials. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that you always updated to our latest Digidial basic tutorials. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.